disappear, sit back.
Do you ever start a rumor about yourself? I already
Check it out.
Sucks to be you. Hey.
I can pick up nerves with one hand. Smash some nerds down.
Hey, it's your lucky day today. Come with me.
So, Jimmy,
Hope you don't mind.
wanna make out? This romance is so dangerous.
Later, Fred. Come by my office. Shouldn't you be somewhere right now?
Welcome to Aquaberry. Let me know if you'd like any assistance at all. Goodbye, and thanks for shopping at Aquaberry.
Better collect this.
If you skip this, you'll have a bad job and a bad marriage.
You look like you're skipping class.
Dumbass!
Do you want my yard
Someone
picked
got
through
out
your
of the wrong
ears?
side of the trailer today.
Let's
Get
not
out.
be... I'm thinking
Get out of my way!
That's enough!
Oh, am I hurting your feelings?
It's no fair!
You want some of this?
This is a disgrace! It's appalling! I don't want plagues or a pet rat!
This is your fault, Jimmy.
Huh? What? No, it isn't. What are you guys talking about?
The library is full of rats! And I got my pre-med test next week, amigo! You're such a lame-o!
Some king you turned out to be.
Oh, how I long for the old days! Sure, we were laughed at and mercilessly bullied by everyone, but at least you could study without fear of rodents coming near us!
Get off! Oh, did you piss yourself again, Algie?
Ew.
No, I swear!
Algie.
I spilled soda on myself.
Soda. Right. What a bunch of sissies. Well, I'm not afraid of a few rats. Jeez, pathetic.
Please, Jimmy, step up the exterminator. Check the delivery crates to see if any of them are still lurking in there.
These crates?
Yes, those crates. The rats appeared once those books were delivered.
Everything seems to be fine, miss. I think I got them all.
Thank you, Jimmy. If you have any late fees, I think we can just forget about them.
I did that a long time ago. I mean, thank you, miss. All right.
You won't like me when I'm angry! Loser head!
You're going to the hospital.
I'll get you! Bam! Ooh! Critical hit!
This planet sucks. I want to live on Nebulon Prime. It'll get better one day.
You
wanna fight? Let's go! I'll learn my boots of ass kickery!
Take
Are you hurting yet?
Stay down!
Get closer!
It's people like you that caught!
Leave off him! Just wait till I catch you!
Don't stop! This is
I'll show
great.
you force equals mass acceleration! Now you've made me mad!
That's pathetic! Take the dirt!
I'm gonna thump you really hard when I catch you. Take that!
People like you that caught
You're a
the
tough
trash!
guy! Now I'm going to hit you really hard!
Sicko!
You'll be sorry!
Period! Stop running! You can't escape!
Please! Take that! My leg is stiff like that, don't you? I think I'm broken. Ow.
Don't touch me, Jim! I don't want to be seen around you! Oh, I'd take an atomic wedgie over this! There will be... Now I'm gonna whoop your ass!
How'd you like this, freak? How about this one?
That's right, I'm the daddy. That's more like
I can't believe it! I'm I don't believe this! Oh no!
How did it happen?
Hopkins, come here, boy!
Hey, what's up, Mr. Burton?
What's up? What's up? My gym is up in flames! Look!
Damn, how'd that happen?
As if you don't know! You're a degenerate to think I trusted you!
It wasn't me. Yeah, I'm no saint, but I tried to bring order to the school, to stop the bullying.
Ha! Bullying? I don't care about bullying! In fact, I encourage bullying!
That's right.
Builds moral fiber, makes men!
Yeah!
'Cause you didn't make the team, you had to ruin it for everyone.
Yeah, you bully! You're a pig! You ruined my life! What are you talking about? I never wanted to be on the team. You like to torment weak kids, and you've got the personality of a jockstrap.
Yeah, well, I called the police! You'll be killed for this, my boy!
It wasn't me!
You're done for, Hopkins! What? Who was that?
It's Yuri! There's people trapped inside!
I'm really scared, Mommy!
Man, you guys are pathetic. I'll get him. Where's the fire extinguisher?
By the stairs next to the locker room. But don't think I've forgiven you, Hopkins.
What's wrong with me? I'm getting out of here! Ah! I'm stuck! Over here!
weirdo downstairs.
I'll check it out. You get out of here.
Be careful, Jimmy!
Woolworth is run by psychopaths.
Hey, what the hell are you doing?
Out of my way, schoolboy! I regret nothing!
All sorted.
I'm gonna bust your gut up and watch you bleed.
Shame about the face. Come on, girly. Fuck. You think you could take me? Step back. Damn, you're weak. Don't whine.
I can't believe that just happened.
It's the Bullworth way.
But I played football. This wasn't supposed to happen.
You're going down! Oh, thank you, sir. May I have some more? My name is Hopkins. Don't forget it. Come on, stop play acting.
Later.
What's up? I'm gonna wipe you all over the concrete.
Let's see how tough you really are.
I just love it when someone there. Come on, turn it up. You're going down. I can go home. No.
I'm gonna break your face!
I will make you cry like little girl. You're going down. Come on, you punk. Fuck.
Come on! Whoa, whoa!
Why is this always happening to me?
I always get my man!
I have decided to make you suffer. What a girly way to fight.
Stop that right now!
Hey, honey, I have something to show you. You really make me want to be nice to you. Hey.
I'm going to tell my dad about this and he won't be pleased!
I'm gonna rip out your heart and feed it to you. I'm all state and beat down too, son! I'm gonna hit you till you... This is so embarrassing.
See ya!
Been waiting for this. You're going down.
I know I'm a good kisser. I practiced for years on my arm. She just sucks so much.